Hey guys, right now it's been raining as you can see outside, and it's gonna rain some more. So we're in our garage or man cave, and we've got a foosball table. So we play this, and we're gonna heat it down there. Play on that.
Not even cold, it's pretty good.
This, how tall we are over there. And then there's a lounge that's over there, and a radio, or a speaker. And we're gonna play some foosball. Woohoo!
Who usually wins the foosball?
Me.
The lies.
Oh no, we're not really trying. We're basically the same.
Alright, let's just see how it works out. Alright, let's have a quick game.
Yep.
Let's do this. Okay, so you're yellow.
You put the ball in here.
Yep, let's go. Alright, yeah, you just said you were yellow. What's going on, mate? Oh, goalie, I can't even see what I'm doing. I'm going off the camera. As you can see, we got a super competitive streak going on with the old Jayden boy here. Oh, well done. What was that? Yeah. And we'll pause it there because I want to get into it now. It's time for competition.
Pretzel down, guys. Pretzel. And
Right, yeah. On that note.